Hello, Paul Hamilton here. Let me show you what we're doing today. So basically what I've got is I've got a leaf here that I put on some paper and I drew 10 dots on the perimeter of the leaf. This is a great little maths consolidation activity for early childhood preps and grade ones. And then what I got the kids to do here is just basically around to consolidate their 1 to 10s is actually write a number next to each one. So that's basically what I got them to do. And then the finished product will look something like this, and I'll show you how to go about doing that. So basically what I got the kids to do is a little dot to dot. So actually joining 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6, just consolidating that number sequence and number facts. And then we did some kind of creative aspects there at the same time, and we actually went through it, which is pretty cool. So let me show you how I did it. So basically, let's go house green and start a new document. And basically, I went to backgrounds and I brought in the 1 to 10. So there we go here. Where are we? I think it's that one. Yep, that's it. Made it a little bit bigger, just did a little pinch. And then basically got my drawing tools. Now I grabbed a pencil. And then I basically traced along those numbers, as you can see I'm doing here. So I used a pencil tool, it's nice and skinny and kind of goes from it. It's just a really great way of consolidating number facts and then joining. And you can see it's kind of like the outline of a leaf now, which is kind of what the effect I wanted to do. And then you can kind of start to select some different pencil colors, some different greens, and kind of join up the veins. Get kids to study and look at the detail within the leaf a little bit more. All the time we've got that fun dot-to-dot kind of maths activity, which is a great way of consolidating those maths concepts. So once again, fantastic little maths activity, great to consolidate basic maths sequence, I guess from 1 to 10, and you could do this with a range of different things. You could kind of do it from counting by 2s, counting by 5s, and doing a range of different things using different flowers and leaves as well. Paul Hamilton here, signing off.